You want to know how I made this great masking transition? Here is how I did it and how you can do it too. For the mask transition, you need at least 2 different videos. When you're ready, open the FilmoraGo app, start a new project and import the first video file. Go to the end of the video and create a freeze frame. Delete the front and back part so that only the freeze frame remains. Then adjust the duration and change the background color to purple. Now open the mask tool, select bounce, invert the mask and cut out the part from the video that you want to move later. When you're done, go to export and then back to the project. Now select the mask tool again, invert mask, export again and go back to the project. Now we import the original video again and delete the freeze frame. Then we get a second video on the timeline and adjust the size a bit. If everything fits so far, then select picture in picture and import the freeze frame on which the part that we want to move later is missing. Adjust the size, select chroma key and select the purple color to make the underlying video appear. Do the same with the second freeze frame. Now align the 2 freeze frames with the second video. Next, we take care of opening the cutout. To do this, we set a keyframe at the beginning of the freeze frame with the cutout part. We set the second keyframe a few frames further and change the position of the section. Here you can get creative. You can also rotate the section or make it disappear from the side of the picture. For the example here, I'll make it disappear below. Next, we look for the spot where the opening can be seen completely and set the first keyframe on the video and the second freeze frame. Then, we go straight to the end of the freeze frame, set the second keyframe there and zoom in until only the video can be seen. Repeat the whole thing with the video. That's it. The mask transition is complete. If you want, you can add music, sound effects or stickers. Then just export the project and share it directly on your social media. And here is the result.